saw you.
Hey everybody, Daniel Cormier here. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be filming the 5th look of my Christmas consistent 25 days of Christmas YouTube videos with makeup tutorials. I have a vlog from Croatia, and then I just recently uploaded my spicy noodle challenge ×2. Y'all saw how that went. It was interesting for the most part. Those noodles, fire. Like, they're so hot. Like, I'm not even gonna lie, the flavor is there, the flavor is good, but y'all, it's hot. So we've been trying to come up with new ideas, and we really want to order the ghost like pepper or whatever one chip challenge, but we looked on Amazon and those things are $149 a chip right now, so I won't be doing that. But if you guys know where I can buy them cheaper for a lower, more reasonable price, then we'll be doing that. But anyway, so I'm back today with a new makeup look. So I just got in a bunch of new goodies today that I purchased, and one of the things that I'm going to be using today is the dun, da, da, da. This is the James Charles Artistry palette. So I'm super excited, and I'm going to be using this today. Alright, so before we start with the palette, I'm going to do something different today. Usually I come on and I already have my face beat to the quads, you know what I'm saying, and I just do a quick and fast eye makeup look. But today I think I'm going to switch it up. I think I'm going to go ahead and do my brows first and my eyes, and then afterwards I'm going to do the rest of my face, come back to you guys with ba-bam. I love the smell of new brushes, and they're so soft. We're gonna jump into using this palette. So I have heard some great things, some bad things, some not so great things, some whatever you want to call it. Some people like it, some people don't like it, you know, but I like to give people the benefit of the doubt. So with that being said, with this palette, the reviews that I've watched and the videos that I've watched with James Charles himself on the palette, because it is a artistry palette and it's a pressed pigment palette, you know, some pigments are eyeshadows and some pigments are pressed pigments, and he does label them and name them and let you know which ones are which. But that being said, like, pressed pigments are literally like the color pigment pressed into a pan. So sometimes the payoff is different depending on what you use as the base on your eyes. So I watched his video, I watched James's video, and he said that one of the best things to use when using this palette is the MAC paint pod. So I have the MAC Pro Longwear paint pod by MAC and soft ochre, and this is what I'm going to be using. I'm going to take this flat, kind of like fluffy. I'm going to take this flat, kind of fluffy brush, and I'm just going to blend this on both of my eyelids. Actually, we're going to work with one eye look at a time. So I'm going to take this, I'm going to blend it on my right eyelid first. Taking it, rubbing it in there, and we're just going to blend this out on the eyelid. Woo! That was a lot. That was more than what I wanted. Before I get too far ahead, I'm going to take some basic Scotch tape. And because I'm feeling a little spicy today, we're going to angle this on the eye. Like so. And then I'm going to retake that brush and just blend this I'm going to take a beauty blender and just kind of really make sure that it's blending out so that there are no like creasing. So we're going to go ahead and dive into this palette. So this is the palette right here. Super nice and sleek, just like this matte black. Just, it's really nice. I really like this because I really like the Jacqueline palette, but I didn't like that it was white because literally it's just like dusty crusty like all over my palette. But I do love the palette itself. One thing that I don't like about the palette, which I don't like about mini Morphe palettes, is just the plastic. Like, I lose this, and it has like all the shade names on it, which kind of sucks. But here is the palette. So the first color I'm going to be going in with is the color Code James. And I'm just going to pick up this nice fluffy brush from the brush set that I just got. We're going to pick up that color, dab it off. This is going to be our transition color. And I'm going to place this color a little bit above the crease and a little bit in the crease. I'm going to zoom in. Sorry. I apologize. Zooming in. There. Looking a little crusty, looking a little tired, but that's just because I just worked, so don't judge me.
When I saw you, I would lose control. Made me feel like there was no tomorrow. Should've told you that you're beautiful, but the days pass and now it's so long ago.
Same brush, and the next color that I am going to go in with is No Beans, which is like this. It's like the brown color right next to the black. And I'm just going to blend that in the crease and slightly above where I put Code James, and just blend those two nice and together.
Did you make it? Did you break free? Did you manage to be who you wanna be? Maybe somewhere you think about me too. I wonder where are you now?
I'm going to take that same No Beans color, and I'm just going to press this right on the outer corner. I'm going to go right into the inner corner. Taking this smaller, more precise brush from that brush collection right here, and we're gonna dip into Daddy, which is like this kind of deep green color, like so. And I'm just gonna place it in the same place on the outer V right here. And up into the crease. And in the inner corner. And then going out back in with this brush, I'm just gonna blend the tops.
It's too late now, 'cause I'm growing old, but I need you to deal with my sorrow. Just a memory, just a broken frame.
And then going back in with the same brush, we're gonna go in with a little bit of Spooky, which is the matte black color. I want to use a lot of her because she's pretty spooky.
That I have no one else to blame. And I know that I have no one else to blame. Did you make it?
Going in with this nice clean brush, I'm just gonna blend the top of this. Okay, so next I'm going to go in with this really small defined flat brush, a little bit of my Huda Beauty concealer, and I'm going to carve out the center of my eye. Just doing like a halo type of eye.
Break free. Did you manage to be who you wanna be? Maybe somewhere you think about me too. I wonder where are you now? Wonder where are you now?
Go in with this fluffy brush and blend out just a little, slightly, those edges. With just kind of whatever's left on my brushes. Next I'm going to go in with this flat brush. And we're going to take the color Guac. And let's see how she does without any Fix Plus first. Another smaller brush, so I'm just going to take this brush that I have right here, and we're going to go in with the color So Good. And I'm going to put that right at the top. Oh, she's bomb. Oh man. On my black, I'm going to use the Wet n Wild Mega Liner in the color Black Nori or something like that. I'm going to be using my NARS Climax Mascara in the color Explicit Black. you guys think this lash is too dramatic? Nah. Okay, so while this lash is drying, I'm gonna go ahead and do the other eye off camera, and I will be right back. I'm just gonna take this a fine small brush, and we're gonna dip into that brown color. And then we're going to take this smaller, kind of more defined, not really, it's just the bristles are more in. And we're just going to take a little bit of that black. I'm going to place it right underneath, or right below the waterline. Okay, so before my camera dies, this is the final look, guys. I am feeling it. I love it. It's just spectacular. So, with that being said, my thoughts on the palette. Love the palette. The colors blend seamlessly. I mean, look at this blend. Phenomenal. Bomb. Love it. James, you killed it. You crushed it. I love that I use the paint pod for it. So if you feel like you are having troubles with the colors and with pigmentation or anything like that, I really, really recommend that you use the paint pod. Thank you guys for watching my channel. I hope you enjoyed this video. Do not forget to like this video. Do not forget to comment on this video. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel down below. Super easy. Click subscribe. That's all you gotta do. Stay tuned. I promise you my makeup giveaway is coming soon, but we just have so many days left in December, so I gotta keep snagging you. I gotta keep tricking you. I gotta keep reeling you in with my videos. Bye.